Welcome back to Quantum Vision. I'm Trudy End. Today, we're diving into the real-world applications of quantum computing and how it's revolutionizing industries. Quantum computing isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already impacting industries across the globe. In 2024, quantum computing has seen rapid advancements. Major companies like IBM and Google are pushing the boundaries with new quantum processors that boast record-breaking qubit counts. AI development is now closely linked with quantum computing, as researchers explore the potential for quantum-powered machine learning to revolutionize predictive analytics. Governments are increasing investments in quantum technology, with new collaborations between business and academia driving innovation in cryptography and national security. In healthcare, quantum computing is modeling complex molecules, speeding up drug discovery and personalized medicine. In finance, it's transforming risk analysis and improving encryption to secure sensitive data like never before. Logistics and transportation are benefiting from optimized routes and reduced costs, making global supply chains more efficient. In the energy industry, quantum is being explored to develop better batteries and renewable energy, accelerating the shift to sustainability. The potential of quantum computing is limitless. We're just scratching the surface. Which industry do you think will benefit the most from quantum computing? Comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching Quantum Vision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future of technology.